Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create audio spectrum on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use VN Video Editor to create audio spectrum. You can download this application guys on the Play Store. Just open up your Play Store and then you can search for VN Video Editor. And after you have installed this application, you can open it, and we're going to create new project. We can click on this plus icon and then select new project, and we can choose video based. All right, and then I'm going to add black background to my project. I'm just going to go to this talk from VN, and I'm going to choose this blank clip or black background, and you can change the ratio if you want. For example, I'm going to upload a video for YouTube, so I'm going to select this ratio, and I'm going to add the audio spectrum to this project. If we want to add audio spectrum, we can go to the PIP, and then we're going to select sticker, and you can search for audio spectrum. Just type in audio spectrum and there will be a lot of audio spectrums for your video. Okay, you can choose the audio spectrum that you like. For example guys, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and just hold on. Make sure you have good internet connection to download this sticker. Okay, and now the audio spectrum has been added to my project, and this is the result. Okay, and then you can add music to your video, or you can continue the editing according to the video you want to create, or you can download the audio spectrum from the internet. You can get the free audio spectrum and you can add it to your project on VN, but I recommend you to use this sticker on this application because there are a lot of audio spectrums we can use. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create audio spectrum on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.